just caught a fish.
Did you really? This is the new way to go fishing. I don't know, they might not. Can't hurt to try, right?
These aren't all going to. Oh, dude, actually. Oh, these aren't all going to ducks. I know what we're doing with these. Collect as many as you can. I know exactly what we're doing.
Watch this one.
These are going to be dried out. These are going to be dried out. Which one?
This one's falling back now.
It's going to be dried out. Which one?
This one's falling back now. It was the one that's, it's all the way back over here now, but sorry, here.
Oh.
This, or one of them though, it was trying to swim its way up. It's kind of cool to watch. I just couldn't keep up because he was moving so fast. But you said we're going to do what with
We're going
them?
to dry these out. Fish treats. These will be perfect, crispy fish treats.
Gotcha. Yeah, look at this. All of them right in here.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Some good-sized fish. Let's see if I can pick any of these up. I got mud in that one. See if you can move that bowl over here, just right here where I can.
There's a mass tiny ones here. Look at that.
Right, I know. I mean,
I'm just going to let them be there because they'll work their way down.
I'm just taking whatever.
Like anything past this is going down. So anything from here up, that's what we're looking at.
I'm just taking whatever comes through here. My Lord, look at them all.
Wow, Jesus. Huh.
They just keep coming, keep coming.
Just make sure they're not too small. I mean, the bigger they are, the better.
Yeah, I'm trying to take the big ones. Seems like a lot of them are kind of gone now, I think. I'm really coming across more just small. We're going to find a glass bowl. And we'll transfer this over to a glass bowl to watch the
It's
dust.
just insane.
So many. They just keep coming too.
I know, right?
Oh, jeez, Jordan.
I know, Chris. I know. And those are all small red. Look at that nice one.
Yeah.
Let's go back a little bit. I'm sure there's more.
I was just looking. I only see one dead one so
Majority
far.
of them are underneath all the debris. Is where I've been finding them at.
I guess that one wasn't even dead. He took off the moment he touched water.
What, the one I grabbed?
No, this one that was over here.
How big are these ones? Not very big at all. Adam would have to mix them.
It's cool to watch him though, try to swim back upstream. I was only seeing one or two that shot out and took off down, but
Nothing else up there. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to take it here.
went fishing today.
That bass, see there, you see all the bass?
No, I didn't.
Small ones in there. Little small ones. That's bass.